JSON Web Tokens, JWT, are essential for secure authentication in Python. They allow information to be transmitted as a JSON object, verified through digital signatures. JWTs are compact, self-contained, and stateless, making them ideal for distributed systems. They can be signed using HMAC, RSA, or ECDSA, ensuring secure and efficient user identity verification. JSON Web Tokens are a secure method for transmitting information as a JSON object, digitally signed using HMAC, RSA, or ECDSA. Unlike session-based authentication, JSON Web Tokens are stateless, containing all necessary user data within the token. This compact, self-contained design supports distributed systems, enabling horizontal scaling without shared session storage complexities. A JWT token is composed of three parts: the header, payload, and signature. The header specifies the token type and signing algorithm. The payload contains claims about the user and metadata. The signature ensures integrity by encoding the header and payload, then signing them with a secret key. This structure is base64 URL encoded for safe transmission. Decoding a JWT reveals its JSON structure. The header contains metadata, the payload holds claims, and the signature ensures integrity. Base64 URL encoding is reversible, so never store sensitive data like passwords in JWTs. The header might specify ALG, HS256, while the payload could include sub, 1234vi7890, name, John Doe. To work with JWTs in Python, first install the PyJWT library using pip install pyjwt. For RSA and ECDSA algorithms, also install cryptography. Verify installations by importing JWT and checking its version. These steps ensure your environment is ready for creating and managing JWTs efficiently. Creating a JSON Web Token in Python involves using the PyJWT library's JWT encode method. Define a payload with claims like user ID, username, and email, and set expiration with XP. Use a secure secret key and specify an algorithm, such as HS256. The generated token is a compact string, valid until the expiration time, suitable for hypertext transfer protocol transmission. Decoding a JSON Web Token involves verifying its signature and extracting the payload. Use jwt.decode with the secret key to validate the signature and check expiration. If the token is expired, an expired signature error is raised. An invalid token error indicates an invalid or malformed token. Handle these exceptions to ensure secure token validation. JWT claims are essential for authentication and authorization. Registered claims like ISS, SUB, ODD, EXP, IAT, and NBF ensure interoperability. Public claims, defined by users, should be registered to avoid conflicts, while private claims are application-specific and not standardized. These claims enable secure and efficient data exchange in JSON Web Tokens. Time-based claims enhance security by limiting token lifespan. The EXP claim sets expiration, IAT records issuance, and NBF prevents premature use. Implementing these in Python involves setting IAT, EXP, and NBF in the payload. Use short expiration for access tokens and longer for refresh tokens to balance security and user experience. Choosing the right signing algorithm for JSON Web Tokens is crucial. Hash-based message authentication code is fast and simple, ideal for trusted environments. Rivest Shamir Adelman uses public-private keys, perfect for distributed systems. Elliptic Curve Digital Signature algorithm offers modern security with smaller keys and better performance, suitable for new applications. Each has unique pros and cons, impacting security and performance. HMAC, or hash-based message authentication code, is a straightforward JWT signing method using a single secret key for both creation and verification. This symmetric approach requires a long, random key to prevent brute force attacks. If compromised, attackers can forge tokens. Use a 256-bit key generated securely. Example: JWT.encode payload, secret key, algorithm, HS256. RSA employs asymmetric cryptography, using a private key for signing and a public key for verification. This setup is perfect for microservices. Generate an RSA key pair, sign tokens with the private key, and verify with the public key. Export keys securely using PEM format for storage, ensuring the private key remains confidential. Security is paramount in JSON Web Token authentication. Implement short expiration times for access tokens using refresh tokens for extended sessions. Store JSON Web Tokens in HTTP-only cookies to prevent cross-site scripting attacks. Avoid sensitive data in payloads, as JSON Web Tokens are not encrypted. Specify allowed algorithms explicitly and use strong, cryptographically secure secrets. Always transmit JSON Web Tokens over Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure to prevent interception. Understanding common JSON Web Token vulnerabilities is crucial. The none algorithm attack allows payload modification without verification. Algorithm confusion tricks servers by changing RS-256 to HS-256. Token replay exploits stolen tokens. Use short expiration and blacklisting. Weak secret keys are brute forced. Ensure strong, random keys of at least 256 bits for HS-256. The none algorithm attack exploits JSON Web Token libraries that accept tokens without signature verification. Avoid this by never setting verify signature to false and always specifying algorithms like HS-256. Enhance security by whitelisting expected algorithms such as HS-256 and RS-256 to ensure robust JSON Web Token handling. A robust token refresh strategy enhances security and user experience. Access tokens should be short-lived, while refresh tokens last longer. When an access token expires, the client uses the refresh token to obtain a new one. Implementing this involves creating short-lived access tokens and long-lived refresh tokens, ensuring seamless user sessions without frequent logins. Building a Flask authentication API involves creating a login endpoint, protected routes, and token refresh mechanisms. Use Flask and PyJWT to handle JSON Web Tokens, ensuring secure token management. Implement decorators to protect routes, validate credentials, and manage token expiration. This setup provides a robust, real-world authentication system with error handling and security best practices. Role-based access control, RBAC, enhances JSON Web Token authentication by embedding user roles in the token, enabling precise access control. Use the Create Token with Roles function to include roles in the token payload. The Require Role decorator checks for necessary roles, ensuring users have appropriate permissions. Implement role hierarchies for efficient permission management, allowing higher roles to inherit lower role permissions. Token blacklisting is essential for invalidating JSON Web Tokens before expiration, crucial for logout and security. Despite JSON Web Tokens being stateless, blacklisting requires server-side state, often using Redis. Decode the token to get expiration, calculate time to live, and store in Redis with automatic expiration. Check blacklisting status via Redis existence. Implement in logout routes for effective session management. Comprehensive JSON Web Token testing is crucial for security and functionality. Unit tests should validate token creation, decoding, and error handling while mocking time-based functions for expiration scenarios. Integration tests must cover authentication flows, including login and token refresh. Security tests should address vulnerabilities like algorithm confusion, expired tokens, and blacklisted tokens, ensuring robust protection. Unit testing JSON Web Tokens ensures robust token handling. Test token creation by encoding payloads with HMAC using SHA-256, verifying non-null string tokens. Decode tokens to confirm payload integrity. Check expired tokens trigger expired signature error. Validate signature errors with incorrect keys. Restrict algorithms to prevent invalid algorithm error. These tests cover happy paths, errors, and edge cases, ensuring secure JSON Web Token operations. Optimize JWT performance by selecting the right algorithm, HMAC, HS-256 for speed in monolithic apps, RSA, RS-256 for security in distributed systems. Minimize payload size to reduce latency. Cache decoded tokens within a request lifecycle, not across requests. For RSA, cache parsed key objects to avoid expensive disk operations. Benchmark to identify bottlenecks. JSON Web Tokens are ideal for microservices, mobile apps, cross-domain authentication, stateless scaling, and third-party API access. Sessions suit monolithic apps, immediate revocation needs, long-lived sessions, sensitive operations, and simple web apps. Consider hybrid approaches for API tokens and web state to leverage both methods' strengths. Ensure secret keys are stored in environment variables, not hard-coded. Enforce HTTPS with strong transport layer security and HTTP strict transport security headers. Set token expiration, 15 minutes for access, 7 days for refresh. Log failures and monitor for anomalies. Implement rate limiting to prevent brute force attacks. Configure security headers for additional protection. You've mastered JWT implementation in Python, covering structure, token creation, and security practices. Enhance your skills with OAuth 2.0, OpenID Connect, and multi-factor authentication. Utilize resources like RFC 7519 and OWASP for further learning. Keep practicing and stay informed on security advancements.